So you want to build a gaming PC, but all those videos use parts that cost an arm and a leg. Well, I am here to tell you that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a PC that can play all the latest games. Today, I'll show you how to build a killer budget gaming PC in 2025, and unlike other videos, we'll do it without breaking the bank. So let's dive in. Number 1, set a budget. First up, how much cash do you have to spend? You don't need $2,000 to get started. A good entry-level PC can be built for between 500 to 800. This should give you decent 108 performance while leaving you some cash for a nice monitor and any peripherals. Number 2, the parts you'll need. Now that you have a budget in mind, let's talk about the parts you'll need. To build your PC, I'll keep things simple and focus on parts that are easy to find and won't break the bank. CPU. First up, we need a CPU, the brain of your PC. My top pick for a budget gaming PC is the AMD Ryzen 5 5600. It is an excellent all-around chip that is perfect for gaming and offers great value for the money. Alternatively, you could also consider the Intel Core i5-1240F. Both options are powerful enough to handle most modern games without breaking the bank. GPU. Next up, the GPU, which is crucial for gaming. I recommend either the Radeon Arc 6600 or the RTX 3060. These GPUs offer smooth gameplay at 108 resolution in most AAA titles. Now, if you're on a tight budget, you might consider looking at the used market. But here's the thing, be super careful when buying used PC parts, especially online. There are a lot of scammers out there, so make sure to buy from trusted sellers or local marketplaces to avoid getting ripped off. Motherboard. Alright, let's move on to the motherboard. For the Ryzen 5 5600, I suggest a B550 motherboard. And if you're rocking the Intel i5-1240F, go with a B660 board. Just make sure that the board you choose is compatible with your CPU socket. You can use a site like ppartpicker.com to double-check compatibility. RAM. Now let's talk about RAM. I recommend getting 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is 2 sticks of 8 GB running at 3200 MHz or higher. Don't go for anything lower because it will affect your PC's performance. Storage. Alright, now let's discuss storage. Skip the old school hard drives and opt for a 1TB NVMe SSD. It is super fast and affordable in 2025, and it'll make a huge difference in your boot and load times for both your games and Windows. Power supply. Moving on to the power supply. Don't try to save money here. Get a reliable power supply ranging from 500 to 650 watts with 80 plus bronze rating. Some good brands include Corsair, EVGA and Seasonic case. Finally, we have the case. Make sure to get a mid-tower case with good airflow. Look for mesh front panels and enough space for your components and any future upgrades. Number 3, let's build it. Once you've got your parts, it's time to build. Again, use a site like ppartpicker.com to check compatibility and make sure everything works together. Watch a detailed YouTube tutorial if you're new to building PCs. There are tons of great walkthroughs out there. Take your time, double check connections, and don't forget the thermal paste unless it's already applied. Number 4. Install Windows and drivers. Now that your PC is assembled, it's time to install Windows and drivers. You can install Windows 10 or 11 for free and activate it later. Don't forget to grab the latest drivers, especially for your GPU. You can usually find these on the manufacturer's website. Number 5, Game On. Your PC is now ready to game. Start up your favorite titles and tune the settings. Most games will run great at 108 on high or ultra settings. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your new gaming PC. If you're looking to upgrade your current setup or build your first PC, check out the links below for current pricing on all the parts. Let me know in the comments what you are building or drop your full part list, and I'll review it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Subscribe for more budget builds, gaming tips, and PC gear guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.